welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the end zone.
Let's open it.
Oh, we got to tell them what we're opening first. What are we opening? What is that?
Disney Doorables.
Disney Doorables. Okay, so it's the Disney 100 limited edition series 10 multi-peak packs.
5, 6, 7.
So 5, 6, or 7. It's going to be a surprise. We don't know how many we're going to get. And look at all of these that we can get. We can get a limited edition Mickey Mouse. These are all our special edition figures. Which one do you want to get? The dinosaur one?
Yeah.
All right.
The king of dinos.
The king of the dinos?
Yeah.
So the T-Rex from The Good Dinosaur is what Enzo wants. Butch. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah. Let's open it.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7? We got 7 surprises. That's the best that you can get. 7 doors to open. That's awesome, Enzo. We could have got 5, 6, or 7, and we got 7 surprises. So are we ready to open the doors? Which door do you want to open first? That one?
It's not a dino.
It's not a dino? That's okay. We have 6 more to open. So who's that? Let's check the box. What's his name? So this is Milo from Atlantis, from the movie Atlantis. And I had to look that one up because I didn't even know that. But he's super cute. Are you ready to open door number 2?
Yeah.
Okay. So door number 2.
Look at this. It's a dino one.
Is it a dino? I don't know. We'll see. We got Stitch.
Yeah.
I think he's a special edition one. Let me see. Let me check. So he is. He's one of the special edition figures. Limited edition Stitch. He is so cute. So cute. Okay, so door number 3. That one. Hey, it's the chef. What's his name again? Alfredo Linguini.
Yeah.
Let's check him out.
That's a hat.
It's a spoon and a hat. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so we got how many now?
1, 2, 3.
All right, let's open door number 4.
Moana.
Moana, no way. Let's check her out. Oh, she's so cute.
Door number 5.
Door number 5. Let's go.
Yes.
So who is that? So door number 5 was, let's see, Maid Marian.
Here's this. That's a lady too.
That's a lady too? Who's that?
It's Moana.
It's Moana. She is a lady. That's right. Okay, so we have 2 more doors left. Which one do you want to open? Okay. Second last door. Door number 6. What is that? Is that a robot?
Yeah.
And looks like he's one of the rare ones.
It's this right there.
Is that right there? Let's see what his name is.
Meanwhile.
Oh, yeah. And he's a rare one because there's a green color and there's a green color under there.
$2.
So this is who we have so far. We have 6 out of the 7. Are we ready for the last door?
Right there.
Right there.
Dino one.
I hope it's the dino one. I know you really want it, but it's okay. We got some cool ones. We got a special edition one.
It's not the dino one.
Who is it? I saw some green. Who is that?
It's a monster.
It's the Monsters Inc.
He's got one eye.
He does have one eye. Mike Kozowski. Oh, he is the cutest. So we open them all. Let's line them up and see who we got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's right. So we got, I think, we have one special edition. We got Stitch special edition. Milo is a rare one. Moana is a common. So is Alfredo Linguini. Marion is a common. The robot is a rare. And Mike Wazowski is a common. But he's so cute. Which one's your favorite? Stitch?
Yeah.
The super special edition Stitch?
Yeah.
That was pretty lucky. So that was our first time opening Disney Doorables,
Yeah.
right? What do you think? You like them?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna open up some more?
Yeah.
I think so. There's a few different sets. That was the Disney 100 anniversary edition, series 10.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And don't forget to like and
Don't
subscribe
forget to like, subscribe.
and subscribe.